Long division part 1. This is the long division that uses repeated subtraction. For example, if we wanted the divisor to be 5 and the dividend to be 525, this becomes our equals line, and we would think, how many times does 5 go into 525? Or what is 525 divided by 5? So we would start usually by covering up the 2 and the 5 with our hand and think, how many times does 5 go into 5? We would say 5 goes into 5 one time, and because we're estimating, now we can say 5 goes into 525 100 times. The steps stay the same. We divide, multiply, and then subtract. So we've just divided. Now we'll multiply. 5 times 100 is 500. Subtract, and we are left with 25. Now we start the process again. So now we need to divide. How many times does 5 go into 25? The answer is 5. 5 times 5 is 25, so we will write down our 25, and we will subtract again, and we are left with 0. The answer here is 105, and we can place that at the top. Now if we wanted to do another question, one might look like this. 5 into 254. So we would start by covering up our 5 and our 4 and say, how many times does 5 go into 2? Well, 5 doesn't go into 2, so you could draw an X up there to hold the spot if you like. And then we would think, how many times does 5 go into 25? Well, if we're estimating, it goes 5 times, but now we're thinking 5 into 254, so we'd say it goes about 50 times. Divide, multiply, subtract. So we just divided. Now we will think 5 times 50 is 250, so we will write our 250, and then we would subtract. We are left with 4. 5 doesn't go into 4. The remainder is less than our divisor, so our answer here becomes 50, remainder 4.